Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got some interesting news about the upcoming Google Pixel 10. If you care about quicker unlocking and better wireless charging, you'll definitely want to hear this. Some new leaks just dropped, and it looks like Google is bringing some practical upgrades to its next flagship phone, stuff that'll actually matter in your daily routine. Let's start with one of the most talked about changes, the fingerprint sensor. Now, if you've used a Pixel phone in the past, you probably know how annoying the old optical fingerprint sensors could be. They weren't always reliable, and if your fingers were a little wet or greasy, you could forget about unlocking your phone on the first try. Google finally improved things a bit with the Pixel 8 series by switching to ultrasonic fingerprint technology, a faster and more secure option compared to the old one. But with the Pixel 10, they're taking it a step further. The new ultrasonic fingerprint sensor is said to be even quicker and much better at handling tough situations, like when your hands are wet or dusty. No more awkward moments trying to unlock your phone after washing your hands or cooking something messy. That alone is a feature many Pixel fans will appreciate. Now, you might be thinking, wait, doesn't the Pixel already have Face Unlock too? Yes, it does. Google added Class 3 biometric face unlock in the Pixel 8, which is secure enough for things like payments and banking apps. But the good thing is, they're not getting rid of the fingerprint sensor. The Pixel 10 will give you both options, so you can choose whichever is easier depending on the situation. If you're in a dark room where face unlock might struggle, you've still got the fingerprint reader, or if your hands are messy, Face Unlock is there to help. It's all about giving users choice and convenience, which is great to see. Moving on to the second big update, wireless charging. The Pixel 10 is getting support for chat to wireless charging, which is the latest version of the popular wireless charging standard. The cool thing about Chat 2 is that it uses magnets to snap your phone into the right spot on the charger, which helps make charging faster and more efficient. There's a small catch though. To take full advantage of Chat 2's magnetic alignment and charging speed, you'll need to use a compatible magnetic case. This isn't a surprise because other brands like Samsung and OnePlus are doing the same thing with their Chat 2 compatible phones this year. Even Apple's newer iPhones don't fully unlock all of Chat 2's features without special accessories. So Google's just following the industry trend here. It might be a little inconvenient for some people, but at least the option is there for those who want it. Now, let's talk about the look of the Pixel 10. From what we've seen in leaks, the design isn't going to change much compared to the Pixel 8 series. That familiar Pixel look is sticking around, which makes sense since it's been a signature part of the phone's identity. However, Google is introducing a few fresh color options this time. For the regular Pixel 10, you can expect shades like Ultra Blue, Limoncello, Iris, and Midnight. The Pro models, on the other hand, will stick to more serious tones such as Sterling, Gray, and Smoky Green. And yes, if you're curious about the Pixel 10 Pro Fold, it'll share the same color options as the Pro models. Under the hood, the Pixel 10 is powered by Google's new Tensor G5 chip. This is the first time Google's making a completely in-house chip without relying on Samsung's manufacturing. This should mean better performance, improved energy efficiency, and faster features like biometric unlocking and wireless charging. In short, everything from switching between apps to unlocking your phone should feel snappier and smoother. As for when you can actually get your hands on the Pixel 10, the latest leak suggests Google will officially announce the phone on August 20th. Pre-orders are expected to start that same day, with the phone hitting stores by August 28th. So, if you're thinking about upgrading your phone or switching to a Pixel, it might be a good idea to mark your calendar. In the end, while the Pixel 10 might not look very different on the outside, the upgrades happening inside, like the faster fingerprint sensor, Chat to wireless charging support, and the new Tensor G5 chip, sound like they'll really improve how the phone works in daily life. It's nice to see Google focusing on things that actually matter to users, rather than just making cosmetic changes. So, what do you think? Are these upgrades enough to get you excited for the Pixel 10? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.